free website, domain and hosting for lifetime. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can get a free hosting for your WordPress website. Okay, this also comes with a free SSL as well, and you'll be able to create your website for 100% free of charge. Okay, that is $0. So let's get right into it. I'm having a link of this platform in the video description down there. Look there, click on it. It's going to bring you right here. Then simply come here to the client area and click on it. And then over here, you have to simply come in and create a simple account. Okay, so to create an account, all that you have to do as a first time is to simply come down here to where it says not a member yet. Come and then click on create a new account. And then over here, all that you have to do is simply go through the short registration. Okay, so you put in your personal information, that is your first name, your last name, okay, then your email address, then you put in your phone number. It is compulsory to put in your phone number, okay, because of the asterisk. You have to put in your phone number here. It has to be active. Then the company name, it is optional. You don't have to put it there if you don't want to. The street address too, it is compulsory. You have to put it there. Then the second address, you have to live in the city, everything, the country. Come and select your country. And then the business tax ID, it is also optional. You can leave it like that. And then come here to the choice of currency, set it, and then over here the email, you can turn it off and then you can turn it on. It depends on you. Okay, come and check the boss to agree to their terms of service, and come and check this boss for them to know that you are human. Over here you have to come and then look through and then check the image that you see, the one that is just like it. Come and drag it on it just like this one. Okay, and then when you see the lock, all that you have to do is simply come here and come and click on the verify. So when you click on it, that is it. You will be able to check it as you are human, and then come and then click on the register. So that is it. We have successfully been able to create our account. We have to verify our email address. Okay, so if you don't get the message, come and click on to resend verification mail. So let's go to our email. So from our email, just click on the verification link. Come and click on verify your address. So when you click on it, you will see that we have successfully verified our email. Simply come in and come and click on continue to client area. And as you can see from here, we don't have any hosting plan yet. So now what you have to do is simply come and then put the mouse on yes, and then scroll down and come and click on log out. Do exactly as I'm saying, okay? And then simply go to Google, and then from Google come and search for web host most, and then hit enter and come and select this, that is 125 megabytes forever free hosting. Okay, to bring you right here whereby you can get your forever free hosting. And when you look here, you see that start for free, no credit card required. Okay, simply come and click on start for free, and then over here come and search for the country that you prefer. I'm going to use USA, and then select USA. So after selecting your country, it will bring you right here where you have to come and then choose any of these. Okay, so over here, first, you have the option to buy a fresh new domain. You can also come here and then transfer the domain, and then you can also come and then select existing domain. Okay, it is very important to select any of these. If you don't have a domain, I'm having a video on my channel on how to get a free domain name. Watch it and then get a free domain name. But for me, for this tutorial, I'm going to go with register a new domain. Okay, and then over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then select the new domain name. Okay, and then over here where we have the .com, you can come and click on it and then select the one that you prefer. Okay, so I'm going to select a .com and then click on check. Okay, so as you can see, the domain name is here with the price, and then as you can see, one domain selected. Come and click on the continue. Okay, and this is going to be our free hosting. Okay, and if you don't have money to buy a fresh domain too, I'm having a video on my channel That's going to show you how to get free money to buy a fresh new domain. Okay, and as you can see from here, the summary, it is totally $0, and we can come and then change the saver location. Okay, so it depends on you, and come and click on continue. So over here, as you can see, we have selected the domain. Come and select the IP protection. It is also $0, and come and click on continue. Okay, so from here you are going to see the checkout and the review. Okay, what you have to do is to come here, the billing details, come and select existing customer login, and then come and put in your email address here, your password, and then come and click on log in. Because you have successfully created an account already, your order will be placed for you. All that you have to do, come and click on continue to client area. Okay, and then from here you will see that your hosting plan is here. You are going to see that your purchase domain is here as well. Okay, and it comes with all your server IP address and everything is here. Okay, good. Then simply come here. You are going to see your disk storage, and as I said, it is totally free of charge. You can upgrade anytime. And then from your domain name, simply come and then click on go to control panel. So when you click on it, it will bring you right here to the control panel. And then from the control panel, you can see you have this space, your bandwidth. So you also have all of this here. You also have your email here as well. Okay, and then over here, simply come here to website manager, come and click on the down arrow and come and select advanced installer hoop. And over here you can come and then install your WordPress. Okay, so from here, come here to where you have the blogs, come and click on the right arrow and come and select WordPress. Okay, so when you select it, over here you have the option to come and install WordPress by installing it, and then you are going to see your domain name, the purchase one here. Okay, and then the indirect one, make sure it is empty, don't put anything there. Come and then set your admin account, the user admin name, your password. You can always come and then click on this key to reset it, and then you can use the new one. Okay, then this is going to be your email address. Okay, and come and then click on the install to install the WordPress. So as you can see, the WordPress is installing. Just wait for it to finish installing successfully, and we have successfully installed our WordPress. As you can see, congratulations. And you can simply log into our website by clicking the administrative URL. So let's click on it, and it will take us directly to our WordPress dashboard. Now that you have successfully installed our WordPress, come to the appearance, come to the themes and select it, and then simply come here to the add theme, click on it, and then from the popular themes you can come and then select this theme which is popular, that is Astra, and then simply come and then install it. You can come and then click on the preview to preview it, and that is it. I'm having a video on my channel on how to create a full website. Watch it next.